Hey guys, I'm showing this ladder speed training equipment set. So you can see is like Tech speed and ladder training set. Comes in a really nice carry bag. And there is also a jumping rope. So I will show you all these things one by one, and you can see this jump rope is really nice. You know the quality, the handles are really soft, the grip, the rope cable is also very flexible and really nice and long. So this is the carry bag where you can store all these equipments. So there is one more, and this is a parachute bag thing, and these are the cones. You can see like the resistance band, there is a holder, parachute, cones. So this is the resistance band. So there are 5 resistance band like for football. There is a footwork drills equipment. The cones can be stored, and this is for the ladder for your speed improvement thing. So this is for the parachute thing that you can wear like a resistance umbrella, and the belt is one very nice fabric. It looks like a waterproof fabric. So now I will just show you the use. So this is the 33-inch around parachute rope, and the diameter I think is around 55-inch. So I'm just showing like how my kid is running with this parachute. He can feel that resistance to it. So this is the jump rope. It's a 110 inches one, so a little bit bigger, but you can adjust. And this is the ladder. So you can use this ladder and put these cones for your training purposes. It's a really nice set for the kids.